Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to get started on Bluesky. Beginner's Guide. To get started in Bluesky, first, download the Bluesky app. Open the Google Play Store on your device, search for Bluesky, and download the app. Next, launch the app. Open the Bluesky app up to installation by tapping Open. Next, sign up or log in. Make sure you log in with your credentials, or if you're new, tap Sign Up from the start and follow the prompts. Next, set up your profile. Tap on your icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Then add a profile picture, username, and bio or description to introduce yourself to the Bluesky community. Explore the interface. Familiarize yourself with the app's layout, including home feed for updates, search to find posts or users, notifications for alerts. Next, follow people. Use the search feature to find interesting users or topics. For example, I search for somebody and I tap on the relevant result. Tap follow to see their post in your feed. Next, customize your feed. Now tap the hashtag in the top right corner. Adjust your feed by following hashtags, communities, or users that align with your interests, and pin it by tapping this pin. Next, post your first update. Tap the Compose button, usually a pencil icon, to share your thoughts, photos, or links. Press Post to publish it. Next, interact with others. Engage by liking, commenting, or sharing by tapping this icon to repost a post you find interesting. Next, explore trending topics. Check out trending posts or hashtags to stay updated with popular discussions. Next, join communities. Participate in groups or discussions that match your interests for a more engaging experience. Lastly, adjust privacy settings. Go to Settings by tapping on the three lines in the top left corner on the main page. Then hit Settings. Tap Privacy and Security to customize your privacy preferences, such as account visibility. By following these steps, you'll be ready to enjoy the Bluesky platform and connect with like-minded people. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.